In this video, we'll see how to make easy peasy and very delicious Panipuri pizza or pizza Panipuri. A different version than your regular Panipuri, but really tastes amazing. So you get the feel of eating a thin crust pizza inside out. Let's get started. Heat a pan and add 2 teaspoons oil. Add 1.5 tablespoon butter. So first we are preparing a sauce. Now add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic and saute this at medium flame for 10 to 15 seconds. Basically there should not be any raw smell of garlic, but make sure you do not burn it. Now add 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour or Maida. Again, between low to medium flame you need to saute this or cook for 20 to 30 seconds or till the raw smell is gone. Make sure you do not burn the Maida and do not keep it raw, otherwise you would get raw taste in the sauce. Now add half cup milk and immediately and continuously stir it so that you get a nice and smooth sauce. Keep the flame low at this time, and as the sauce thickens, you need to switch off the flame and transfer this sauce to a bowl and let it cool down. Now heat the pan again and add 2 to 3 teaspoon oil. It's time to saute the vegetables. Add 1 small chopped onion and saute till it slightly turns pink in color. Now add 1 small capsicum chopped finely chopped. 2 to 3 tablespoon boiled sweet corn. 2 tablespoon chopped tomato. So you can add your favorite vegetables. You can add broccoli, zucchini, mushrooms. In fact, you can also add boiled chicken if you are non-vegetarian. Add some salt, a pinch of oregano, or you can also use mixed herbs. Saute for a few seconds at medium flame and then switch off the flame and transfer this to a bowl. The white sauce has cooled down and it's time to add the other sauces to it. So add approximately 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. Give it a mix. And now add 1 to 2 tablespoons chili sauce. So you can add chili sauce, tomato sauce as per your taste. So you can add more tomato sauce, less chili sauce, or vice versa. So up to you. To this prepared sauce, add the sauteed vegetables. Give this a mix and this is going to be our creamy Panipuri pizza stuffing. Now preheat your Kadhai with some salt and stand in it at medium flame for 10 minutes. You can also do this in your OTG or Convection. Here I've got some Panipuri Puri, so you can see there are 7 in this plate. So with the amount of stuffing we have prepared, we can make 3 such plates of Panipuri. So put the stuffing inside. And now I'm placing some random pieces of cheese slices. So I'm using 2, actually less than 2, but it depends on you. You can also prepare cheese sauce. You can check out my potato fingers with cheese sauce and use that cheese sauce in this recipe. And I'm grating 1 cheese cube, not completely 1 cheese cube, half of it, just like the street vendors do. And now just sprinkling some chopped capsicum, tomato, sweet corn, and olives. Olives are optional. Some chili flakes and oregano. Instead of oregano, you can also put mixed herbs if you've got that. And it's time to bake this just for 5, actually not even 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. I'm using a ceramic plate, but you can also use your regular steel plate because we're not going to bake at high temperature and not for longer duration, so a steel plate is absolutely okay for this. Remember, you need to serve it right away because it's a combination of slightly soft and crispy Panipuri, pizza Panipuri. Do not keep it for long because it will turn soggy. So make it right away and serve it. It tastes fantastic. You get a nice crunch like a thin crust pizza, and at the same time the flavors of pizza. And yes, one more tip, if you want, you can also use your homemade pizza sauce instead of tomato and chili sauce. I hope you like this recipe. Give it a try and enjoy!